and we got 40.
Good morning, everyone. Yes.
Griffin has winning. Phoenix has 37.
Okay. Phoenix, listen up. This is our time to wake up. We are winning. Come on. Okay. So two more competitions have been launched. I'll just give you like brief introduction. One is review competition. Okay. A link will be given to you. You have to send review and your link like from
Ma'am,
which. Yes. Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
Lazel. Okay. Lazel,
Good
listen.
morning.
Okay. I should listen. We need this. Okay. Ishan, everyone turn on your camera first because my team, no one is sending the videos or logos or anything.
Good morning, ma'am. I
Good
sent the
morning.
video
Yeah,
yesterday.
I got from Aishan and Laser. See, Aishan and Laser, we're only to see these guys. How many are these? So we need to win, right?
Like when ma'am told,
Finally
like,
sent the video. Finally.
ma'am, we
That,
listen. I just, ma'am,
man, my
listen.
dad was
When,
sitting all night just editing that video. He didn't sleep tonight.
ma'am, wait. That edited, right? That was not, one of my dad's friend edited. And can you edit the video? I didn't edit the video. And
That's okay, that's
ma'am,
fine.
when you guys told to send the video, right? I just sent it immediately. Like my dad just took me to the ground and just we started taking the video and finished. That's it.
That's nice. But Ira, Aishan, if you're not turning on the video, there's no attendance for you. I get everyone has to turn on the video. Ishan, do you want the
Which team is
attendance? Which team is?
Abhi?
FF is in Phoenix, right, FF? You're in
Huh?
Phoenix, right? Which team are you? Which team are
Me?
you? Yeah.
I'm in Team Griffin.
Fourth grade.
Uh,
Okay, you are in Phoenix, okay? Learn your team name, you are Phoenix. So,
okay.
listen everyone, two more competitions are, I'm just announcing. Ishan, turn on your camera, I'm saying again. This is your final warning. Ishan left. This is why my team is losing. Because people are not participating from my team. Okay, so first
Because I
competition
like
is,
Griffin. Because it is Peter Griffin.
yeah, see their population is more right now. Their
Ma'am, how
numbers,
they update the board? How they
What we haven't used
update it?
they will update
Guys,
today.
go to
Yeah.
Griffin classroom and there will be imagine
Okay, hands are in the
with
face.
Okay, Ihan,
And
you are in Phoenix, right?
yeah.
Ihan,
let's go.
Ishan,
What one?
Four. Let's go.
that will be updated today. More points
Let's
for us.
go.
Oh,
Team
guys, Griffin, guys, wait. Griffin is trying. I want that. I'm not telling.
Griffin is winning right now. Can you see that, people? Phoenix people, come on, buckle up. We need to win, right? Okay,
Don't we
Yeah,
have
what
today's
is that?
today's competition?
Don't we have
yeah,
board?
you need to let me speak. I'm going to give you instruction for the next two competitions. Please stop your presentation. Stop, 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 stop. Yes. So first competition is review competition. Here you will be given a link. What's the competition? Review competition. You will be given a link. You have to review. Give a review, right? We give Google review. So you have to give a Google review. Come on, Haya, join with us. And in which you have to send a photo like you're studying, or maybe you're even don't have to show like you're doing some work related to school, definitely with mage background. You have a school background, right? For example, you can just take a screenshot. Acting, you're good at acting, right? I know all of you are good at acting. Oh, definitely, I saw most of your videos. You're way better at acting. So that is first competition, review competition. It is not compulsory, but I would recommend Phoenix to participate. Phoenix people, Abek, Laishan, where is Aishin? We need to participate. We don't care about the other team, okay? We four have to participate whatever happens. And second competition is yoga competition. In yoga competition, 5 day, one asanas, one posture will be sent to you in your classroom. And that posture, you have to one posture per day. That posture, you have to take a screen photo and send it in your classroom. No one else it will be accepted. It should be in your classroom. Please listen to instruction first. If you are sending to teacher, it will not be valid. So each day one point you will get for postures. Sounds good. And the best posture has 3 points extra. That is another thing. Best postures have 3 points extra. Did you get my two competitions? Anyone has doubt in these two competitions? Abhay, please turn on your camera, dear. Does anyone have any doubt regarding this? Your mic is turned on right now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in which days that you want? Ma'am, in Griffin, we are gonna win.
Review competition will start today. Yoga competition will start tomorrow.
By tomorrow.
It's starting tomorrow.
Ma'am, say what it is. Say what the two. I'm only good at yoga, so I think I'm gonna nail this.
One
Yeah,
is
I'm
review
gonna do
competition,
yoga.
another is yoga competition. Yoga competition you will get
Team
instructions
Griffin,
today.
let's win. Ma'am, yoga competition, we will take a picture of our Phoenix group.
Same is like this chakrasana. You just have to put the posture and send a photo. But your posture. Yes.
I have one message.
What is it?
Can you say that again? Go! Come on.
Yoga competition
I got
instruction. You will
it.
get the
Team
five.
Griffin.
Before period you will get the instructions. Okay. Then we have review competition in which you will be given a link. You have to review it and send a photo. Maybe you are studying with mage background, something related to mage. It should be any photo related to mage. Maybe in computer you are doing something with mage. Sports day, so one photo. That is review competition. Review competition you have
Can you
day.
send that to my mom? Can you send
Okay,
it to my
alphabet.
mom? Because I have no idea. Last date.
It will go in the group also. Don't worry, Barira. It will go in the group as well. Or inform Mama also. This is
For
something.
everyone. Ma'am, the limit is our everyone.
You
Ma'am, for everyone. For everyone.
for everyone, anyone can participate. Not mamas, okay, it's for kids. Not parents.
No,
For kids.
I'm asking, can you? So you have to like do something that's
Yeah,
related
mama,
to
I'll
meet
send
the
it to
mate.
mama. Definitely, you're Phoenix, right? Definitely, I'm going to
Wait,
send it to mama.
wait. We have to do something related to a mage with the mage background, right?
It doesn't have to be mage background. It has to be something related to mage. That's it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yes.
Doministic is a number
Yep.
that has
Abib,
1,000.
Abib, I am assigning you to a breakout room. I just want you to join. I'll be there in 1 second. Sounds good?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any doubt regarding Ihan? Ihan, can you unmute yourself?
I have. Should I click join?
Yes, you click join. I'll be there in 1 minute. Ihan, we are team
Ma'am,
Phoenix.
can
Okay,
you
I
help
need
me
you to
in the
participate for everything.
same?
No, this I have to talk to him. Until you guys can talk to him, tell him, I mean, I'm now to close the Google Classroom. Sorry, breakout room. Okay. Aishin, Maisen, Ihan, we need to participate in everything, especially us. Okay? Ihan, please participate. Yes. Hi, Abib, are you there? Hi. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So, on November 30th, we are having Sports Day. It's in Dubai. Were you aware of
Okay.
this? No, right?
Huh?
Were you aware of this?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you be able to go there?
But like I don't know the location and
Where are
stuff.
you right now?
I'm in Sharjah.
Sharjah. Okay, I'll send you the location. That's not a problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Also, before the sports day they have
Mm-hmm.
lots of events. So before sports day, we are having many
Okay.
events in which you get
Okay.
points. That points is actually
Okay.
money that goes to your wallet,
Okay.
and at the end of the year, you can take that money from it.
Okay.
So, right now, one competition was over yesterday, video making competition.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
we are having two competitions coming, review and second is yoga.
Okay.
So I want you to actively participate in everything. I know you are new,
Okay.
so there may be some hesitation, but I'm
That's
here.
okay.
That's okay, good. Especially I am there in Phoenix. I'm the team leader of Phoenix with other teachers, and you are in Phoenix, so we need your
Yeah.
participation. Did you see our points? Our
Okay.
points are down right now. We need to
Yeah.
bring it up.
Yeah. Okay.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Do you have any confusion regarding anything? Like how to upload assignment or how to join class? Anything trying to?
Yeah, I do.
What is the confusion? We can help you out.
Confession?
Like, do you have any confusion regarding how to upload assignment or how to take the calendar?
I don't have that.
Okay. If you have any problem during assembly times, you can reach out to me. My
Mm.
number will be available in the office. Okay, tell mama
Okay.
if she need anything, she can just reach out to me. Sounds good?
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay. I'm going to get you back to your classroom.
Okay.
Join all the competition. Okay, we are Phoenix.
Okay.
Okay.
Things.
What? Huh? Say it again. Say it again. I didn't hear.
You can press either FN with
Team
E or
Ma'am,
Control
ma'am is
with
not here.
press
Ma'am
with
is not
E
here.
or Command with E.
What? I
Ma'am
didn't
was
hear.
here just a second
Ma'am,
ago.
she joined and left.
Which ma'am?
Amina ma'am.
Amina.
Where is she? Oh my God. How
Wait,
can I leave you
wait,
alone?
I want to do the emojis. How do you do it?
Ma'am, how can we take
I
the
show you?
emoji?
Do I have to show you? I will show you. Okay. Wait.
How do I do it? I will just
No,
show
no,
you
no.
my. Uh,
Okay, I'm
No, no,
leaving. I'll just wait for ma'am.
Wait,
Ma'am will
one
come.
sec,
I'm
one
hoping.
sec. I'm doing
Bye,
something.
guys.
Wait.
Bye,
close
guys.
the chat.
Bye.
Then
Then
go.
I'm not
Close the
showing
chat.
you.
Then
Yeah,
go.
that's a good idea. I should close the chat. Amina ma'am is here, so she will do it.